what was the happy part about it?
The sale part of it.
Sale.
Today, the final sale.
Today's the final sale.
Right.
And because you didn't think it was going to happen, I don't believe, Travis.
We tried it so many times and it failed.
Yes, but if you have faith,
it's
you have
people's
faith.
credit is what it was. But they came out okay.
So you're happy about that?
Yeah, how about you?
Oh, I'm thrilled. It was a big payoff.
How many do you get like these?
Well, not any of them are like this. Every one is different.
Yeah.
Every single one is different, right, Ann?
That's right.
But they all have their turbulence.
Mm-hmm.
This is what we call
If
turbulence.
it's worth getting, it's worth fighting for. I believe that. And if
Exactly.
if you have a hard time getting it, then you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it with God's help, of course.
He did it.
Yes, I believe that. I mean, I firmly believe that. Even when we got our house, we prayed about it. I told him, if God wants it, if God wills it, then we'll get our house. Another way, because it was his idea. And I thought, if God wants it, if God wills it, and even me and Billy, remember when you were seeing the house, we prayed about
We
it.
prayed a lot.
We do. When we come to our house,
And
Billy
he heard
prays
our
with us.
prayer.
Yeah, he does.
This was the last go around. I wasn't going to go no one more day. I wasn't. I told Billy, I said, and there's a holiday coming up. I said, so by Monday, that's it.
And it was funny because he picked me up yesterday. Was it yesterday or when did you pick me up? And I said, Travis, I said, everybody's putting a lot of work in this. I said, the real estaters, I said, that young man, he needs a home. You wanted your house sale. Everybody involved has really worked hard for this, and I hope in God's name it works out. So we got home, and the message was on the answering machine that, yeah, we were going to get the closing. See, you got to have faith, and faith will get you there, man. Really. If you believe in it, it's going to happen.